welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking. My name is Jennifer and I do all things embroidery. In this tutorial, I will be showing you the last ornament in the Glitzy Poinsettia kit. And here's what it looks like. I'll show you the steps on how to put it together, so let's get started. Okay, so we're having a different setup today. I'm working on my desk instead of my table because my table is a mess. So we're going to be working on the poinsettia ornament, and we're going to start with this piece. These are the leaves for later. I just have those set aside. And I'm going to use the back to put beads and sequins on. So actually we're going to start in the middle here. Okay, and those beads are going to be different. Okay, so we're going to start with those, and then we'll do the outside beads, and then we'll do the outside. Okay, so I'll just show you step by step what I'm doing. So let me go grab those beads and let's get started. Okay, as you can see, these beads are a little bit thicker and they're actually really light, and they're kind of stuck together in the bag, so make sure you pull them apart. Okay, now we're going to add the beads all along the here. And let me do that off camera because that is going to take a little while, so I will come back when I'm done with that. Okay, so I finally finished all the beading. Well, not all the beading. I still need to do the outline, but I wanted to show you what it looked like before I did that. Now we're going to do the outline. Here's what the ornament looks like with the outline on the outside. And now all we have to do is fill in each gap with the sequins. There's just a view of the back side. And it took me about a day or so, maybe two, to do these beads. So the middle, let me see if I can get it close up. So those are the yellow sequins. I just did it in a circle. And I did one sequin in the middle to fill the gap. Now we're going to add the red sequins. And here's what the red sequins look like, completely finished. This took me, I'm probably going to have to say, at least 2 days. You know, given I had to take care of other things around the house and children and school and all that stuff. So not too bad. Here's the back we're going to add next. But if you don't know how to put sequins on, I will link the other tutorials that I made for the series to this. Also, the cording will be part of the playlist, so if you don't know how to make cording, I have a tutorial that shows you how to do that. Grab some, I guess this color would be like a crimson color thread, and then we're going to sandwich the back and the front together with the stuffing in the middle, and I'm just going to just like place that somewhere. Okay, so here's a close-up on me adding the cording. I just put a pin to kind of secure it, and then I just put it together. Okay, real quick, here's what it looks like finished. Well, almost finished. We have to do the leaves. And I noticed that the picture is a little different, and I just wasn't paying attention and just kind of put it in a random spot, but it's okay. I'm not going to redo it. I think it looks fine just having it right there. We're going to add the leaves a little bit different, so it's going to look different from the picture, but that's okay. Alright, so we're going to do 2 leaves, and they're going to be the exact same. The middle line, make sure you add all the beads onto the middle line before you add all the sequins. Here's what it looks like with all the sequins on the leaf. Okay. And now we're going to add the backing and we're going to stuff it. Here's a completed leaf, front and back. Do 2 of these, and then we're going to place these on the back of the poinsettia flower. Okay, here is a finished poinsettia ornament and the final ornament in this kit. If you have not seen the other ornaments, please check those playlists out. I will have them linked at the end of this video. Just click on that link and it'll take you right to it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!